Hello everyone, in this video we will learn about how to convert UTM coordinates to decimal degree or degree minute seconds in one click in RockWorks software. Just go to Utilities, copy your data from Excel sheet which is in UTM, easting or northing. I'm just copying it. Paste in RockWorks utility worksheet. Go to coordinates, click on coordinate converter multiple points, select UTM, select meter and zone. I have already selected. It has automatically taken this UTM easting and UTM northing. Now from this drop down, output drop down, you can select in which format you want to convert your coordinates. So I am taking decimal degree. Okay, see, decimal degree mein I got it. Next, if I want to convert in degree minutes seconds, I can select degree decimal minutes. Okay, you can check it from here. Next, if I want to convert it into degree minutes seconds separate columns, that can also be done. Just with the UTM data, you can convert your coordinates into different coordinate systems in RockWorks.